Hey, and welcome to Smart Office, weekly tips and tricks to work around Microsoft Office applications. Today, I will show you something that has to do with Microsoft Word.
How to draw a table in a Microsoft Word document. A table is a great way to organize information within our document. A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. They are useful for different sort of tasks such as presenting numerical data in a document or presenting text information in a document. In Microsoft Word, we can create a blank table, convert text to a table, and then apply a variety of styles and formats to existing tables. In this post, I will describe how to draw a table in a Microsoft Word document.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know.